All right, guys, we're going to talk about performance reviews and basically how are you increasing or decreasing your monthly pay, right? So this simulation set up so that just like in the real world, depending on how you perform at a job, right, that influences what raise you get or if you get demoted, things like that, right? So this class is set up that same way. So if you're doing a good job in the class, paying for your grades and stuff, that actually affects your payments. So what you would click on is money management and employment. Okay, money management, employment, and you have your pay stub here, right? So you can actually see how much you're getting paid each time and how much is going to deductions and things. But to the right tab, we see a performance review. Okay, so me as the instructor, I can go through and give you a performance review, right? So I had gotten 100 points out of 100 points, and so now I'm getting an extra $650 a paycheck. Okay, which is awesome. Now, if I didn't do as well, that might be a little bit less, right? That might only be an extra $100, $50, and I can actually lose money. So if I'm not participating in class and paying my bills on time, and I'm just really struggling with the real life simulation, then that'll actually change it so you're making less money. So that's just another incentive to do well in the class and to pay attention is to increase your salary so that you can buy more things, right? The more money I have, then the easier it is for me to buy a good score in the class, as well as to buy some things I want on the shopping mall. Okay, so that's the performance review and kind of what that looks like.